Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this lovely 308SW in the GT line specification. So this vehicle comes with a large panoramic glass roof. You get full LED headlights, 18-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows. There's front and rear parking sensors with a 180-degree colour reversing camera. Now inside the car you've got the red GT line styled stitching. Touchscreen has 3D navigation, DAB digital radio, there's Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. On top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, and there's cruise control with a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. To tailor your experience to suit your current requirements, so that's making an appointment to view a vehicle, using our click and collect service, or taking advantage of Howard's home delivery service. We hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.